Мы рады приветствовать сегодня международного эксперта Сильвия Виллу, тренера по физическому воспитанию 5 класса средней школы Хансвилла. Сильвия, как вам наш город?
What do you think about the city?
I think the city has been very welcoming. That's including the people. I think the city shows its culture as well. The structures are very beautiful.
Тоже хотели бы услышать от вас о содержании ваших выступлений.
Tell us about your presentations.
So I had an opportunity to exchange thoughts and experiences with the teachers and the students in regards of physical education. And it was great because we had a chance to actually have teachers stand up and be vocal about their struggles in the classroom and their successes.
Какие впечатления у вас остались от семинара?
What do you think about this seminar?
I think the seminar has been very knowledge-filled. There's a lot of questions, and it's really showed that all teachers have things in common, whether they're good or bad, but everyone has the same goal, and that's to get better at teaching for the students, but also to learn a lot for just themselves as professionals.
И какие перспективы дальнейшего сотрудничества с институтом и школами-участниками проекта вы видите?
How do you see the future collaboration with the institute and with the schools whose participants attended this seminar?
I'm excited for the institutions here. I'm excited that people are willing to listen and to grow in this profession, despite the many trials and errors that there is. I see a lot of growth occurring as well, and they have a very bright future.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Приезжайте в гости еще.
Come back again.
Will do.